Joe puts a drive shaft in his truck, makes it literally to Pizza Hut, and says, "Oh, my train's blue." Go back to the shop and put a trans in, I guess. He's probably going to ask you, Tanner, to take your car to Wisconsin to get a new trans. So be prepared. Put it in first! It moves forward 10 feet. It's clunk, 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 clunk. How's that trans working out for you, everybody? I need the Jeep keys. There he goes, sending him down to the bottom of Illinois to pick up 2 more trucks for me. So, on today's episode of What Do We Do Now? So as you guys seen, I sent them off last night with Lambert's truck and my trailer to go buy me 2 trucks. And in the gist of all that, they called me up and they're talking about whatever. They're all good. And then Gabe came by, CJ came by, and we went out to dinner. And my phone rings and it said, "Doughboy." CJ looks at me, he says, "Either they made it to the trucks or they broke down." I said, "They fucked something up." And my trailer axle on the ground. Doughboy said they were just cruising, and Lambert thought that it was a bumpy road, but really it was my trailer falling apart. They got out, and Doe said that, "Yeah, I think the hub's shot." They thought they could make it back home with 2 trucks in the trailer. Well, Lambert did. And obviously the engineer of the 2 had to tell him, "No, you can't do that. Try to get this hub nut off." But I think we're getting somewhere with this, honestly. Time to check the deal again. So we got a customer's truck in today. So you ask me, I think the T-case might have a hole inside of it. Got a new T-case back there for it, and I guess we're gonna swap it out. And then Joe's truck's gonna go in because got a new trans over there for it. Joe bought a new clutch for it. So literally now, that was the best running Cummins I've ever had. And now he bought a new trans and a brand new clutch. That's satisfying.
It's always satisfying to get salt off the truck, especially in painted truck.
I know the problem, Gabe. I know the problem.
Ain't got no gas.
That thing's flooded.
Next up.
Look at that sucker.
Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my nigga for a figure, that's not like me. Baddie with a body in the lobby, she like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I copped that crib for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the globe and sell out shows instead of flight meet.
Fuck the rims are shitty with the snow.
Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' go through. If you doing good, having you. Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' go through. You been good, having you. I'm not trying to put demons in your mind. I just wanna wish you a good night. Hope you get the cream with the pie. And what's under the tree, hit your vibe. Couple of G's, couple of tries, couple of T's. That you gon' be more getting your sheets. You with the right, look with the fall, look for fool, even the mob, bullshit. Look at the flip with the heart that's lit. Planets bring me all you can. Get in your park,
y'all seen this truck came in. Sport bumpers up there. The sport grill's up there. Heated seats. Gonna get them redone, but they're power on both sides. Heated seats, emblems inside of them. Heated seat control. That back door is good on this thing. I'm literally stripping this thing of everything that's good on it. Well, that I need at least. So the whole cab is gonna be completely gutted. I'm gutting the whole cab out of it. Big truck. Y'all know the lift over there for it. And oh yeah, let's talk about this. All right, well, when I was in Florida, I thought to myself, how can I tow the trailer a lot better? Maybe like a towing compound setup. I was like, okay, bet. So like 2 days later, I'm on Facebook and it was like 2nd Gen Cummins group. I found twin turbos for sale. So I got an S480, bullseye. I have more power. So the trailer should be out of here today and that should be out of here today. I got a customer's car to bring in, pull my dually in, and maybe pull the motor out of it. What do you guys think? Should I pull the motor and build the whole entire thing? Or slap the turbos on, stud it, injectors, and just play it safe? Or just pull it out and make it like 1,000 horsepower, ignorant donut machine with the gooseneck. I don't know where any of these piping pieces go. Okay, so this is how it goes. So this sits down inside the freaking bottom of the truck. This bolts onto here, stock turbo, bing bong, done. Those are the drains for the turbo. This unit goes onto here somehow. That goes onto there. Into the stock turbo. Oh. I think just let the turbos on and call it a day. That can't sound like that no more. Good thing we got an exhaust over there, but I can't really show you guys to the right of me because there's something that I had to get a little low because I did post on Instagram a couple days ago. You guys cannot see the whole entire thing because the next video is gonna have the rendering of what I'm building. Diamond Eye Performance. We got an exhaust for the truck. You guys seen, I got those twin turbos, but I don't know if I'm gonna put mine yet, so for the time being, I bought a 4-inch exhaust for the truck. We tackle that job. Oh no, actually I just installed it on the Shorty. Well, Taryn installed it on the Shorty. There's our downpipe. That should sound a lot better than the stock exhaust. This is the first time this truck's been on the list. on, pop an intercooler boot. I need a 7/16. I'm serious, I don't know where it went. I had a big red socket rail, somebody fucking stole it. like tighten up the clamp with your fingers. Ready? Might as well take the new exhaust and cut it up with the Sawzall. Definitely though. CJ's bed. I walk in my office and CJ's bed always gets in my way. Alright, let's hear the difference. Okay, that's tight. Yeah, y'all didn't see that.
Probably because you got a cock on your head.
Yeah. Alright. Well, that's gonna end today's video because it's cold and it's cold. So as you guys see here, the next video has some fun inside of it. But I won't post it yet because it's got some big stuff on it. So alright, peace.
That's a brand new fucking impact. You can't afford lunch, you just threw away a $400 impact.